Hello, everyone. Welcome to White Eagle. Do you feel sick? Do you need to see a doctor? Let's learn simple English words for visiting the doctor. It's important for your health. Today, we follow our friend Tom. Tom feels very sick. He has a headache. His stomach hurts. He also has a fever. He needs to see a doctor. We will learn with him. First, Tom needs to make an appointment. An appointment is a time to see the doctor. Tom calls the doctor's office. He speaks to the receptionist. Tom needs to say he wants to see the doctor. He can say, "Hello, I would like to make an appointment, please." Or, "I need to see a doctor." The receptionist asks, "What is your name?" Tom says, "My name is Tom." The receptionist might ask, "What is the problem?" Tom can say, "I feel sick," or "I have a headache." The receptionist then tells Tom a time. For example, "The doctor can see you at 2 p.m. today." Tom says, "Okay, thank you." It's simple to make an appointment. Now, Tom is at the doctor's office. He waits. A nurse calls his name. "Tom." Tom goes with the nurse. The nurse checks his temperature. She asks, "How do you feel today, Tom?" Tom needs to tell how he feels. We have words for this. Tom can say, "I feel sick." This means not good. He can also say, "I have a pain." Pain is a bad feeling in your body. He can say, "My head hurts," or "My stomach hurts." He can say, "I have a fever." A fever means your body is hot. Tom tells the nurse, "I feel sick. I have a headache. My stomach hurts. And I have a fever." He tells her everything clearly. Next, Tom sees the doctor. The doctor helps sick people. The doctor says, "Hello, Tom. What is the problem?" Tom needs to tell the doctor his problems. He can use the same words. Tom says, "Hello, doctor. I feel very sick. I have a headache. My head hurts a lot. My stomach hurts. And I have a fever." The doctor asks questions. "Where does it hurt?" Tom points to his head and stomach. "How long have you felt sick?" Tom answers, "For 2 days." The doctor listens carefully. It is important to tell the doctor everything. Do not be afraid to speak. Use simple words. The doctor examines Tom. He listens to his chest. He checks his throat. Then the doctor gives Tom advice. Advice means what to do. The doctor says, Tom, you need to rest. Stay home. Drink a lot of water. Do not eat big meals. Eat light food. Tom needs to understand this advice. If Tom does not understand, he can ask, "Can you please repeat that?" Or, "Can you please speak slowly?" It is okay to ask. Understanding the doctor is important for your health. If you don't understand, ask the doctor to repeat. The doctor wants to help you. Finally, the doctor gives Tom medicine. Medicine helps you feel better. The doctor writes a prescription. Tom takes the prescription to the pharmacy. There, he gets the medicine. The doctor tells Tom how to take the medicine. Take this medicine 2 times a day. Take 1 pill in the morning and 1 pill in the evening. Take it after food. Tom listens. He needs to remember these instructions. Instructions tell you how to use medicine. If he forgets, he can ask, "How many pills?" Or, "When do I take it?" He can read the label. The label has the instructions too. Always follow medicine instructions. Tom goes home. He rests. He drinks water. He takes his medicine. After a few days, Tom feels much better. He is not sick anymore. His headache is gone. His stomach does not hurt. His fever is gone. He is healthy again. This is good. Remember, when you feel sick, you need to see a doctor. Make an appointment. Tell the doctor how you feel. I feel sick. I have a pain. My head hurts. I have a fever. Understand the doctor's advice. Take your medicine correctly. Practice these words. They are useful for your health. Have you ever visited a doctor in an English-speaking country? Share your experience in the comments. Subscribe to White Eagle for more practical English lessons.